To do these exercises, you will need to have opened the slides link and to be familiar with the slides on how to create tables. So as a review, the table tags we'll be working with are table, tr, td, th, and then we'll be using the call span attribute for td with call span and row span attributes. So I'll just put this here, table row. TD is a table cell, and TH is a cell that is a header, bold by default. I can't remember if there's a TH in the slides we're about to do, but we'll find out in a minute. Okay, let's end my comment and off we go. So my first business item is, it looks like I have 3 rows and 3 columns essentially for this pets one. So the one I'm looking at is slide number 15. That looks like this. Okay, cat, cat, dog, cat, cat, dog. All right. So 3 rows and 3 columns. Hopefully I can use this over and over. What did it say? It said put them with a BR in between. Okay. I'm not sure why the BR, but we'll do it. Table, table. Keep things neat and tidy. I'm going to make 1 row, and I'm going to save it for later because I'm lazy. Actually, let's put that all like this. This one has 3 columns, so I'm going to make 3 TDs. It didn't say anything about headers or not, so I'm going to not worry about it for now. Select the whole line by triple clicking and then paste twice. Weird. Okay, so this is my entire row. Select this whole business. Obviously, I couldn't quite get to the beginning of the line. Okay, copy, paste, paste. Now I've got a 3 by 3 table. It will be invisible. So, and it looks like in the slides, it's expecting that it has a border. So here's the thing about tables. To get the default border, I can put a border attribute on the table. Then it's going to flunk the validator because I'm supposed to be using styles to put the borders on, but we'll put it on for now so at least we can see what we're doing. So just note here, note, don't get in the habit of using border. How about that? And put a 1 pixel border on there, and if I look at it in the browser, I should see something like that. So yeah, 3 by 3 table. Fine. What next? Pets on the first row, then cat, cat, dog, cat, cat, dog. Because I am determined to be lazy today, I'm going to save this whole table for my next trick and work on my first table here. BR in between, said the instructions. The instructions are using an XHTML style BR tag with a trailing slash. Now in HTML5, we can leave the trailing slash off the end of the BR tag. Actually, the validator will flag it as an error, so we'll leave it off. Okay, now back to my task at hand. Pets, cat, cat, dog, cat, cat, dog. These are actually the same as each other, so I'm just gonna take care of that here with the paste. Okay, so this will be almost right. Not quite right, but getting there. There's pets, cat, cat, dog, cat, cat, dog, but I need the pets to be bigger and I need it to span a couple more columns. Actually, it looks like this is just a big picture, so, but I do need it to span 3 columns in total. So now let's see what happens. I don't really need those TDs anymore because this one's going to take up the whole way. All right, pets, pet, cat, cat, dog, cat, cat, dog. Let's check the validator. And this says, oh yeah, right, the border attribute. So as I said, don't get used to using the border attribute. We should use CSS instead. But otherwise, good. Moving on to our next job. That one I think we just already did. Did we? Yes. Oh, just show me how to do it. Okay. So this one says I want cat, dog, cat, dog, cat, dog with a high down the left. Okay. That's also 3 by 3. So let me take my template here and save it off for later so I have another blank one. And I'm working on table 2 here, which has cat, dog, cat, what was it? Cat, dog, cat, dog, cat, dog for the second and third ones. So we knew that this is cat and this is dog. And this is like that for all 3 of them. Like this. Okay, that's looking good. Now I just have to make this first column span 3 rows. So back to brackets. This first one, okay, what's it supposed to be in it? The word high? The word high. High. Row span. And then let's take this one out because this one's going to be taken care of by that row span. And here we are. Done. I'm going to stop the video because it's getting long, I think, and we'll continue in the next video with the next table.